Hey, Scorp. So here's the fun thing. You love the energy of the Aries Mars. You love the energy of the Aries in terms of the fire, the passion, the movement, the guttural, raw instinct of it. And then you love values. You love a value. So you're feeling unstoppable. You're feeling like it's fun. I don't fully know how to articulate it. Go. Watch the intro. Oh, trigger warning, if you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Don't stop focusing on who hurt you. That's not helping you right now. Heart of the matter is the 10 of Cups. Radiance, 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 radiance. You are radiating. That's the word that I couldn't find earlier. Hashtag radiance. You, with Venus, with Chiron, with the sun, Aries, radiance. You feel so empowered. You feel so fired up and focused. Now this moon says, hello, 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 hello. Use this radiance to get more aligned in your balanced, correct radiance. Use me, use the moon, use my depth, my reverence to help with this correctness. You will be unblocked. Ooh, this is big. You will be unblocked. You will exalt the container in which you are harvesting this fire, which you are containing this fire, which you are facilitating this fire that you feel right now towards your value and your healing. And, oh! Come on, Mom and Dad! You're exalting the container in which you hold this fire, and then you are facilitating it correctly. Both of these were upside down. This is your potential. That's what this is, potential. This is good, this is big, this is beautiful, this is correct. Done. Okay, we did it. I love filming these videos, they're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have 2 bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm gonna put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, #code, and he did amazing too. Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out, paulflanagan.com. That's also where you get all the things, all the links, all the things. Blessings.